Hey, home centers, treehouse builders, DIY enthusiasts. Okay, today we're going to be working on these here chicken coop here. I have these mobile chicken coops. I have these mobile chicken coops here, and I got another one right there. And I got to replace some of this fabric here on the sides right there. I didn't have enough when I was first building them, and I used some tarps, and the tarps have all fallen apart. So I'm going to be using this stuff that I used on some of it, which is a ground cloth. It's a filter fabric that excavator guys use for when they make roads and such. And it's really inexpensive, and I use it for a lot of different things. It's really rugged, seems to be light tolerant, and it keeps the chickens from seeing outside of their coop, which makes them a little happier, and also keeps animals like raccoons from seeing in so easily, because I have had problems where they actually, at one point, I had a raccoon come right down and reach through my chicken wire and tear a chicken apart and pull them out through the chicken wire. It was hard to believe, but I found a pair of chicken legs inside and a pile of feathers outside, and that was the only way I could figure that's how it happened. So first thing we got to do is go cut some of this fabric into some strips so I can replace. Okay, we're going to want these pieces about 3.5 feet wide. Fabric is 12 feet long, 12 feet roll, so 12 feet wide. 2, 3. Attach the fabric with these staples. They're like inch and a quarter staples, and I'm going to use my air nailer right here. Staples in there. You always put a little bit of pneumatic oil in there. I didn't have pneumatic oil, so I just use some baby oil. I think that's okay. I don't know. I'll start by cutting this waste edge off here. All right, got it covered over, and it's ready to be moved. This is the access, and inside we got a little hatchway down to the grass area, and we got their water, we got the food, and then they have their little nesting boxes in here, and you can see from the outside that the nesting boxes, the roof for the nesting boxes opens up reach in and grab the eggs on both sides. That side opens as well. And then on the inside here, you can see down in here, they have a little ladder up into the nesting box area, and then they have all this this grass area. Basically, the coop is 16 feet by 16 feet by 16 feet, so it's a triangle, and it has bracing on the angles, so it stays together when I pull it, and I pull it by a cable right here in the front. Cable here, hook, and this one's the same setup. Don't let that cow deceive you. Another batch of chickens in here with another rooster. This is my barred rock rooster, and we'll be moving them tonight. The grass is looking pretty flattened out, pecked over. They're starting to dig. They're starting to dig holes. So we'll okay, let me just pull this easy slide board out here. There we go. Release the Kraken! Go on, Kraken. Get down in there. Oh, you're kind of tentative, you girls. Usually they come screaming out. Okay, they not only get fresh pasture today, we got some gruel. There you go. Compost for them, all cooked. Some squash from last year, I saved just for them.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.